In this video today, I'm going to be walking you through how to reconnect your Wilan X2 data logger to your Growatt inverter. So the first thing you want to locate is the USB comms port. Now it's located on the underside of the inverter. It may have a cap on it. To simply release the cap, just turn it anti-clockwise and you will be able to access the USB port. So now that we have access to the USB comms port, what we're going to do is install the Wilan X2 data logger. The first thing you want to do is ensure that the arrow located on the securing nut is in line with the reset button. Once the arrow on the securing nut is in line with the reset button, what you want to do is simply place your thumb on the securing nut to keep it in place, and then just install the Wilan X2 data logger into the USB comms port. Using your other hand, hold the bottom of the Wilan X2 data logger and then just simply turn the securing nut clockwise to secure it. And what you can do now is give the data logger a slight pull just to ensure that it has been installed correctly. Now that we've completed this step, what we're going to do is head on over to the ShinePhone app. So now that we're on the ShinePhone app, make sure that we're on the plant page, which you can see located at the bottom of the screen. And then from there, we're going to click the plus icon, which is located in the top right corner. From here, we're going to select data logger list. And once on the data logger list, if you already have an existing data logger, you'll see it on this screen here. What you simply want to do is click and hold. A menu will pop up. And then from there, you want to select configure. However, if you don't have a data logger and this is a new one, select the add button, again located in the top right corner. From here, what you're going to want to do is scan the QR code, which is on the Wilan X2 data logger that you've just installed into the inverter. And then you can simply check that the serial number and the check code has appeared. And then from there, you can select confirm. So here, select Wi-Fi connection. Here you can see that the device has not been found. So to resolve this issue, what you want to do is simply press the reset button, just located here on the data logger, and you'll notice that the light has now turned to a solid blue. Now on the app, select the retry button, which is just this button in the middle. And then once you select that, the app will start scanning for the Bluetooth device, which is the Wilan X2 data logger. Now that you're on this page, select the drop-down menu on the Wi-Fi option and select your Wi-Fi. So for us, it's going to be the Infinity Renewables extension. And then from here, simply enter your Wi-Fi password. Once you've done those steps, you just simply want to press configure immediately. And now it will automatically connect up to your network. And once the data logger has been configured successfully, you'll see this message pop up on screen. Now that you've successfully installed the Wilan X2 data logger and connected it to your app, you'll need to give it about 10 to 20 minutes, and then from there, you'll be good to go. Thank you very much for watching.